Hi everyone at OC India Association. This is Sangeeta Pant once again for you, and I've come with another set of songs today. As you know, I'm a music director, singer, and lyricist at Hindi films industry, which is more popularly called Bollywood, and uh, today, like I try to get something different for you every time. So today I have come with the theme of, I'm paying my tribute to Bollywood dance divas. So all of them are dance numbers, and you can just go ahead and dance at home. And I'm waiting for more of you to join. And whoever is there, keep sending me a hi so that I know that people are in, because. Yeah, I can see that about a few people have joined, but can you please send me a hi so that I know who all are there, and I welcome you. Yes, so what I'm going to do today is sing, the dance numbers from Bollywood films, and what I want from you is to guess the actress to whom I'm paying this tribute through this song. So hi Sheila Kumari, nice to see you. Hi OC India Association. Hi Rajesh. Yeah, let's see who else is there, and how are you all doing today? Friday night, and I'm sure you guys want to chill. So what I'll do, I'll start with my new song and let people keep joining in as I start singing. Okay, the first one, as I said, I want you to all guess who is the actress on whom this dance number is picturized. So let's go. One minute. Keep telling me whether the music level is fine. होठों में ऐसी बात, होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई. होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई. अरे हाँ, बात जिसमें प्यार तो है, जहर भी है. हाय, होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई. Hi Shanu, hi Pia. Yeah, please keep guessing. Who is the heroine? रात काली नागिन से हुई है जवान, रात काली नागिन से हुई है जवान. अरे हाय दैया किसको डसेगा ये समा, हाय दैया किसको डसेगा ये समा. जो देखो पूछे मुड़ के तो पग में पायल तड़पे, आगे चलो तो धड़कती है सारे अंगनाई. होठों में हाय, होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई. रे हाँ, बात जिसमें प्यार तो है, जहर भी है. हाय, होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई. Okay, so I can see a lot of people have joined, and tell you once again that these are all dance numbers from the Hindi films that I'm singing. And I want you to guess the actress on which this song is picturized. So please come on, keep sending me whatever you think is the answer. Okay, so I can see a few people have guessed it right. Shanu said Vaijantimala, Jewel Thief is the film, correct? Absolutely. And Mansi Bajpayee, yes, it is Vaijantimala, absolutely correct. Jewel Thief is a film, and the lyrics are by Majroo Sultanpuri, and the music director is S.D. Burman. So this was of course the first song and warming up song, as I would call it. Next I'll take a song which is again written by Majroo Sultanpuri ji, but it is being composed by S.D. Burman's son, which is of course R.D. Burman, the great R.D. Burman. And this is one dhamaka number, and I want you to all just dance at your place. Come on, I'm sure you're ready for this. Is the music level good? Hi Seema ji. Piya tu ab to aaja, hey 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 Monica. Come on. Tell me the actress on which this is picturized. Please type in your answers. Piya tu ab to aaja, shola saman dehke aake bujha. Wow, what a great dancer she was. प्यासे प्यासे इन मेरे लबों के लिए, तेरे होठों ने हजार वादे किए, भूलने वाले कोई जिए तो कैसे जिए. अरे हाँ, अरे हाँ, अरे हाँ. ला 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 ला. पिया तू So that was that vibrant number on even vibrant dancer, Helen. I mean, I don't think there is anyone who can top Helen's dancing skills. What do you think? Okay, maybe I should be speaking less in between my songs because my concentration is going. So I will talk to you after the songs probably. Okay, so there's the next number. Now after this Tadakta Bhadakta number, I think I would like to take one classical dance number. And please tell me whether you like this one and who is the actress on whom this particular number has been picturized. Keep typing in your answers and I'll be talking to you after the song. Is the sound level fine? पिया तो से नैना लगे रे, नैना लगे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे. What a beautiful song. Thank you so much, Neeta. I'm glad you enjoyed, Reena. Thank you for your compliment. I'm glad you're enjoying. Thank you, Deepa. Yes, Shanu, Amy. Yes, this is Wahida Rahman. No, Prerna, this was not Vaijayanti Mala. Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you that you're enjoying the songs. When I was selecting the songs, my actually effort was to look for those kind of songs which are pretty different from each other. Like I have Hothon Pe Aisi Baat was like a gypsy kind of a number. Piya Tu was a cabaret by Helen, and Piya To Se Naina Lage Re is a completely classical number based on classical form of dance, which is Kathak. So picturized on Wahida Rehman. Now the next song, I would also like to include some new numbers, otherwise I think the younger generation will not find it interesting. So the next song again is from very different genre. This is more like a Sufi number, and it is very interesting how they have made a Sufi number into a dance number, and pretty it's like a Western amalgamation of this Sufi number. This is a new number. Please again write down the actress and also the film from which it has been taken. मैं रुठया यार मनावांगी, हर चिलमन फूक जलावांगी, जद पत्थर रांझा पिघलेगा, तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी, तद मैं कमली सनम जानम कि वे करिया नमी दानम Okay, so that was Nime Kamali Kamali. Thank you, Reena. I'm so glad you're enjoying. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you, uh, uh, Reena. Thank you, Puneet. And yes, this is, thank you, Rekha. Yes, this is picturized on Katrina, absolutely correct. Milinji, Shanu, and the picture is Dhoom 3, correct, absolutely correct. Okay, so next, as I said, this was more of a Sufi kind of number, and next that I want to do is you tell me what genre do you think this particular song is. Let me get out my track first. And again, this genre is completely different from what I sang. I hope you're all dancing at home. I know we can't gather together and have a proper show, but you can always go ahead and enjoy yourselves at your own homes. Okay, so the next song, the film, the actress, and the genre.
निकले साजन घर से मैं घूंघट में चल गई
So this was the beautiful and such a versatile actor, late Sridevi, gone too soon. I think we could have seen more of her in her second innings. She did some wonderful movies. So this was my tribute to her. And as I said, every actress will be different. Whichever song I take, every actress will be different. And these are the dancing legends of Bollywood whom I have selected in my songs. So thank you so much. Yes, Milanjit is a folk song and more a Rajasthani folk kind of thing. Thank you, Ritu, Reena, Shanu. Thank you so much. I'm really enjoying myself, and I'm so glad that you are constantly giving me feedback. Is the voice and sound, the music level going correctly? Please tell me that too, because I'll depend completely on your feedback. Okay, so this one, the next one that I want to take is actually I want to dedicate this to my Chachi, who was herself a very good dancer, and she used to lighten up the various wedding functions and those musical nights that we have. And her daughter Shanu is here today. So Shanu, this is for your mom and my Chachi, who was such a wonderful person and also a great dancer. Today is her death anniversary, so sorry, I'm feeling a bit emotional, but okay. So please guess the actress of this. song. Shanu, I hope you like this. Thank you, Milinji, Puneet. Thank you, Reena. Thank you, Seemaji. Okay, so the actress, did anybody write? Which actress was this picturized on? Nobody has written this. Okay, let me see if anybody can guess the actress of Jhumka Girere. Yeah, I think somebody did write. I think I missed it somewhere. Yes, Shanu. Okay, yes, Shanu. This is Sadhna. Yes, Puneet. This is Sadhna. Thank you, Tanuja. Nice to see you. Okay, so the next one. This is one of my favorites, and this is a relatively new number, and again a different dance form. Please guess the dance form. The movie, the actor. Uh, Shanu, I think you are taking away the limelight and answering every question. But this one, Shanu did not get it right. It's not Bajirao Mastani, it's Padmavat. And yes, Shanu should be awarded for this particular song, not for this particular song, but yes, she's getting everything correctly. I think you need to give some others also a chance. Wait for a little while before you start answering. Yes, Reena, Padmavat, that's correct. And thank you, Milinji. Thank you, Suchi. Thank you, Reena. Thank you, Shanu. Thank you, Kanchan. Okay. Okay, now dancing talks or dancing discussions or dancing divas tribute is incomplete if I don't take this particular actress who's known like mainly for her dancing skills, and she is an evergreen actor, and what a beautiful in looks too. So let's see what, I'm sure all of you can guess this. Shipra, thank you. I'm sure all of you can get this. Ding dang ding, ding dang ding dang dang dang, ding dang ding, ding dang ding dang dang dang. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 तेरा करूँ दिन गिन गिन के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बाहर तेरा करूँ दिन गिन गिन के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बाहर एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात 10 11 12 13 Yes, Namrita, it's Dixit. Namrita, Madhuri Dixit, yes. चौदह को तेरा संदेश आया 14 को तेरा संदेश आया 15 को आऊंगा ये कहलाया 14 को आया ना 15 को तू तड़पा के मुझको तूने क्या पाया 16 को भी 16 की है थे सिंगार आजा पिया आई बाहर तेरा करूँ दिन गिन गिन के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बाहर एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 Lovely trumpet. Thank you, Ishan. सत्रह को समझी छूट गया 18 को दिल टूट गया रो गुजारा मैंने सारा 19 20 को दिल के टुकड़े हुए 20 फिर भी नहीं दिल से गया तेरा प्यार आजा पिया आई बाहर तेरा करूँ दिन गिन गिन के इंतजार आजा पिया आई बाहर एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 Okay, I think most of you guessed it right. Neeta, yes. Madhuri Dixit, Namrita, yes. Shuchi, thank you. Milinji, yes. Singer Alka Yagnik, absolutely correct. This was later also sung by Shreya Ghoshal in a new version for a new film. Thank you, Ishan. Thank you that you find my singing nice and in good control. Uh, okay, now this one, let me see. This was easy. Madhuri Dixit was easy. I mean, I want you to guess this particular song now. And this is going to be a medley. There will be two songs. I want you to also guess the actress, the movie. Okay. So there were two songs there, both from the film Dawn as Shanu. Yes, Shanu has answered again. And then Milinji, yes, Priyanka Chopra, yes, Shanu, Dawn, Isha Kopikar, yes, Ishan, this is Alisha Chinoy. And I think there was one more singer in this. Okay, so this, yes, Namrita, yes, the older version of Ye Mera Dil was picturized on Helen, and the new version, yes, Milanji, was picturized on Kareena Kapoor. This was from the movie Dawn, and the lyrics were penned by Javed Akhtar. Okay. So let's now go to an older number. This was again a very, very beautiful, sexy actress, and very popular number. Please guess. Thank you, Neeta. Thank you. जवानी जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया जवानी जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया शिकार हो गया ये कैसे कम हुआ ये क्या जुर्म हुआ ये क्या गजब हुआ ये कैसे कम हुआ न जानूं मैं न जाने वो जवानी जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया. Yes, Puneet, नमक हलाल. रीना, yes, जवानी जाने मन. Thank you, Aarti. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you, Seema. Thank you, Milinji. Thank you, Reena. Yes, Ishan. This is Asha Bhosle and Parveen Babi combination from the film Namak Halal. And the music was by Bappi Lahiri and the lyrics were by Anjan. We should always remember the lyrics writers also have done such a great job, and unfortunately these are the ones who are least mentioned and least remembered by people. So the lyrics are actually the first and the foremost thing about a song. Unless the lyrics are good, the composer does not get. I am a composer, so I know that the composer does not get inspired unless the lyrics are good. So we must mention the lyricists also. Okay, next is a new song, and I'm sure you'll love this one. And let's take. Okay.
Pinga gapori, pinga gapori, pinga gapori, pinga. Mala pingyani mala bola vili raat khala vili pori pinga. लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी हो लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी मेरे घर आई कैसे सजे धजे देखो मेरे पिया की सांवरी जिया से बावरी मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चाँद ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी मेरे घर आई कैसे सजी धजी देखो मेरे पिया की सांवरी जिया से बावरी मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चाँद के बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा के बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा
Thank you, Divya. Thank you, Darshika. Thank you, Shanu. Yes, Milinji. Madhuri and Deepika. No, not Madhuri. Priyanka and Deepika.
मेरी जिया मिलकारी तूने पहनी पिया की कटारी हाँ तू जानी ये दुनियादारी मैं तो हूँ बस मोहब्बत की मारी जो पीर मेरी है सो पीर तेरी अरे दोनों की मांग लगी सुनिया दिया ना ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी मेरे घर आई कैसे सजी धजी देखो मेरे पिया की सांवरी जिया से बावरी मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चाँद ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा
dancing together. That's wonderful. That was my actually intention, to make all of you dance. Uh, Thank you, Seema. Thank you, Milinji. Milinji, this is Deepika and Priyanka Chopra. This is not Madhuri. And yes, Baji Rao Mastani. Thank you, Divya, Darshika. And the singer is, of course, Shreya Ghoshal and Vaishali Made. Vaishali Made actually is not really an upcoming singer. She is a very established singer of Marathi films, and she was also, I think, one of the topmost singers, probably a winner, I'm not very sure about that, in one of the Sare Gamapa reality shows. Thank you, Shuchi. Thank you, Neela. Some people like in Zoom. Okay, maybe Seema ji can take note of that, because OC India Association, maybe they can do in Zoom next time. Okay, I'll sing a couple of more songs, and okay, so we have covered. Can you tell me what dance form this was? Because I have tried to take different dance forms, and till the time I get my track out, what dance form did this song belong to? Of course, Ghumar we have already covered, and this also belongs to a certain dance form. Okay, this one is a nice number. Okay, Pinga was more of a Lavani style, Marathi Lavani style. Okay, let me go to the next song. was, yes, the very, very vibrant Zeenat Aman, and all the answers are correct. Puneet, yes, weed high, correct. So, this is so contemporary, gypsy kind of song, hippie style, yes, absolutely correct. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna is the film, yes, Reena. Kanchana Palli Madhuri, yes, thank you so much. Glad you enjoyed. And weed high, oh my god, I find this so relevant in today's times. And Deepika and all, everybody getting embroidered in it. So, okay. I have covered, I think, quite a few genres, whether it's Rajasthani, Marathi, hippie style, classical, and then one which I've still not covered, I think, is Punjabi. So I would like to cover that too. Let me see if I have the track, first of all. Just give me a moment, I'll get this track out. Okay, yes, absolutely correct, Puneet. This is Luka Chupi, and though this song was not actually lip synced on Kriti Sanon, but yes, Kriti Sanon was there. It was a wedding ceremony, and this song was played in the background. And Luka Chupi is the movie, and this is a new film song, relatively new. Nareshi, yes. Yes, I covered contemporary issues by singing Dam Maro Dam. I hope our industry is cleansed of this, disease, I would call it. Okay. I will be doing gross injustice if I do not cover this beautiful, beautiful actor with great dancing skills and a very, very popular number of hers. And this will be my last song for today. I think I've taken enough of your time. Thank you, Ishan. Thank you, Ishan. Yes, I will definitely check your message in Messenger and get back.
बस एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए, दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। इस अंजुमन में आपको, इस अंजुमन में इस अंजुमन में आपको, इस अंजुमन में आपको आना है बार बार, आना है बार बार। दीवार दर को गौर से, दीवार दर को गौर से पहचान लीजिए, दीवार दर को गौर से पहचान लीजिए, दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। माना कि दोस्तों को नहीं, दोस्तों को नहीं, माना कि दोस्तों को नहीं, दोस्ती का फास। लेकिन ये क्या कि गैर का, लेकिन ये क्या कि गैर का एहसान लीजिए, लेकिन ये क्या कि गैर का एहसान लीजिए, दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए, जान लीजिए, जान लीजिए।
Thank you so much. I'm so glad all of you love this song. Yes, this is Rekha, Puneet, Shanu. Umrao Jan is the movie. Neeta, thank you. I'm so glad you love this song. Milind ji, no, this is Umrao Jan, not Mukaddar ka Sikandar. Thank you, Seema, for your kind compliments. Asha Bhosle has sung this beautiful number, yes. And nobody has mentioned the beautiful actress. Yes, Puneet has mentioned. Yes, Rekha. How can I, not sing such a beautiful dancer's song on this program when I'm paying a tribute to all the dancers? Yes, Naresh ji, thank you so much. Milind ji, thank you. Vishal, thank you. Thank you all of you for enjoying this, for sending your comments and your feedback. I have really enjoyed myself and had a lot of masti, and I'm glad that you also felt the same. I'll catch up with you again, and you take care, be safe, and keep taking your precautions. though life has to go on. So on that note, I'll bid you goodbye. Take care.